Hello, students. I just wanted to give you an introduction to what you're going to be learning about in the nervous system. So on this page, you will find your PowerPoint. If you have an iPad, please download it into your Keynote application, and you should be able to access it all the time, even when you don't have internet. I've also included a note guide if you would like to print it out and fill in the blanks. It's just a great study tool, and it helps you keep on track while you're looking through the PowerPoint. And I also have a PowerPoint that has sound on it. So me basically talking about everything in the PowerPoint. So if you take it step by step and listen to me, it's like you're actually in class with a lecture. Please also don't forget to do your 5-minute lessons that go over some topics of the nervous system. The main goal of this module is to really learn about the brain and spinal cord and all the nerves that run through your limbs, what certain parts of the brain do, and incorporate it into certain diseases like multiple sclerosis. So I really hope you enjoy this unit, and please let me know if you have any questions.